Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. Well, I have returned from my quarantine in Tokyo and I'll tell you what a relief to be done with eating those pre-made bentos. To celebrate my freedom, it's time to fire up the Weber Q. To keep things very simple today, I think I'm going to prepare a bright and refreshing shrimp salad. You are going to want to check this one out. Let's go. For today's salad, I'm going to be grilling up 1 1/4 pounds of peeled shrimp. You can leave the tails on if you wish, but as you can see, I've already pulled them off. It's just easier to deal with that way when having salad. These are also smaller shrimp, about 25 to 30 per pound. Before we prep and cook the shrimp, we're going to skewer them on some bamboo skewers. This makes the whole process easier because instead of seasoning and cooking the shrimp one by one, we can do that in groups of 5 or 6. Some people may tell you that you need to pre-soak your skewers so that they don't burn on the grill, but I find that step unnecessary for shrimp because they're just not on the grill long enough. Anyways, as you continue to skewer your shrimp, pack them tight, but leave a little bit of space between so that they could lay flat on the grill. Now repeat until you have skewered all of your shrimp. And now it's time to oil and season. First up, drizzle some olive oil on the surface of your shrimp. Then with your clean hands, gently spread it evenly across the surface of all your shrimp. Give all your skewers a turn and rotate if necessary so that all surfaces of every shrimp is covered in oil. Next up, it's time to season. Since this is going into salad, I'm going to keep it relatively simple today. You could stick with just salt and pepper and garlic, but today I'm going to use a homemade rub. This is equal parts paprika and garlic with a touch of salt and pepper. The ingredients list is in my description below. But no matter what rub you use, sprinkle it liberally, covering the surface of all your shrimp. And as usual, with clean hands, press the rub into your shrimp. Don't forget to repeat the process on the other side as well. For an optional final step before you grill, you could drizzle some lime juice on top of your shrimp. Squeeze that fresh lime juice over your shrimp, and once you are satisfied, let's head on out to the grill. On my front deck today, I have preheated my Weber Q1200 to a medium-high heat, and all you have to do is lay your shrimp skewers directly across the grill grates. The Weber Q is a searing machine, so as always, listen to that amazing sizzle as soon as the food hits the grill. And here comes the final skewer. Perfect. Now, before I shut the lid, I'm going to use my tongs and press down on all the shrimp and make sure they are separated and not laying on top of each other so that they are all in contact with the grates and will sear properly. Now that that's done, I'm going to shut the lid and let this cook on the first side for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes go by very quickly, so don't go far. Once you've opened your lid, turn your shrimp over. And as you can see, I'm getting some very nice caramelization from the paprika and garlic powder. You'll also see the shrimp itself is coming along nicely, is starting to turn pink and opaque, which is exactly what we are looking for. Anyways, now that all my skewers have been turned over, I'm going to shut the lid and let this finish cooking for about another minute or 2. Since these are very small shrimp, they only need about 3 to 4 total minutes of cook time. If the color of your shrimp is opaque and they are not mushy, they're ready to come on off the grill. So I'm going to pull all of these skewers off of the grill. So now let's go ahead, head on inside, and assemble our summer salad. And here we are back inside. Here's our grilled shrimp, but let's just put that aside for just a minute. I don't know about you all, but when I think of summer salads, I think of arugula. So that's going to be my base for today. And to that base, I'm going to add some chopped raw red onion. That looks good. Next up, some cool and refreshing sliced cucumber. Perfect for the summer, right? Now, how about something sweet and bright? Corn. This is just boiled corn, but grilled corn would work great as well. Click the link above for 3 methods of grilling corn. Now, the last ingredient before we add back our shrimp is half of 1 avocado. And as you can see, I've left a little bit of room in the middle for the main event, our grilled shrimp. Simply remove your shrimp from the skewers and place them right in the middle. I find that 2 skewers are a perfect portion, but use as much or as little of your grilled shrimp as you like. And of course, the last step for any good salad is to add the dressing. Some type of vinaigrette will work best, so today I am just using balsamic vinegar. And that's it. Finished. That is how you fix up and assemble a grilled shrimp salad. A simple, refreshing, colorful dish for the summer or any other occasion. Give this a try for yourself and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks again as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again next week.